MEANWELL's new generation enclosed-type power supply with PFC. Smaller but better, overtaking the classic RSP series. Complete lineup for various applications. For example, the new NSP 2400 is 55% smaller than RSP 2400. The NSP series maintains the same mounting hole distances as the RSP series for seamless replacement. Its 200% peak power can easily handle high inrush currents from motors and other inductive loads. With wider operating temperature range, NSP is ready for more diverse environments. Fan noise optimized to 30 to 45 decibels. Medical-grade low leakage current less than 350 microamperes on the NSP, reduced from less than 1 to 2 milliamperes of the RSP. Ultra-wide programmable current and voltage range for flexible integration in different systems. Key components upgraded, extended warranty to 5 years. NSP is certified to many global safety standards, suitable to applications including ICT, industrial, renewable energy, household appliances, and medical devices. Upgrade to the new generation enclosed power supply with PFC now. For more information, please contact our distribution partners or your local MEANWELL representatives.